I need to ask, is Peter Parker okay? Because obviously Tony Stark was his mentor, not around no more. How's he coping with it?
He's struggling, man. Let me just get him, hang on.
What?
Hey man, yeah, I'm having a really hard time at the moment. I don't know why I did that. It's so dumb. I really thought that was about to be some like viral clip.
That's like,
that did not go the way I thought it
really
would.
good tangent.
Oh my god.
We'll cut that out.
Sounded like he's like some puppet. Let me go get Peter Parker. Hey man. Peter Parker has been through a lot.
Man.
Yeah.